Hello traders, this is Stephen Place with Precision Volume Alerts, and it is October 4th, 2021, and we're going to talk about an individual stock and how our roadmap gives us the possibility for massive upside profit potential. So when we talk about our roadmap, the main thing we want to focus on is where the stock has been and where we think it will go to. And many times these stocks will have overlapping levels inside of our roadmap that gives us a very key area, and it becomes almost a magnet. So this is a stock, it was a recent IPO back from August, and it had a nasty move from 80 bucks all the way back down to 40. When this happens, there's a tendency for these traders who bought here to hope and wish and try and get out of break even. At some point, they will eventually work their way out due to fatigue or just holding the bag or tax loss selling and things like that. But what we can do is we can anchor a volume weighted average price against that level and see where it tracks over time. Now, notice that the anchored VWAP from the highs is coming into about $55 a share. So that's the first point of information. What will happen here is that as the stock trades underneath this, it will continue to drift down into this. We also have some key levels of resistance right around 52. Okay, and that's from the highs from 13 AUG and 18 AUG. So this anchored VWAP is going to line up with that. And on top of everything, we have a key low volume node. And you can see it on the right side of the screen. This is a volume profile. You can see here's some volume right here. Here's some volume right here. Here's some volume right here. And then right here. And what tends to happen is that the LVNs can act as a magnet, as any market participant who buys into these levels will not sell until we come into that. And that's what we're expecting. That's what we're looking for, where this stock, if it does pop here around 42.5, we'll see a push to about $52 to $53 a share. Now, I can tell you right now that this used to be a hot stock, but boy, it isn't anymore. A lot of folks are stuck in this trade, and nobody really wants to buy calls on it. And that means that the upside calls right here are dirt cheap. And if you get a push to 53, all of a sudden you're looking at many multiples of return on the risk that you take. So potentially 100, 200% on this one stock. So on the short term, what we're looking at, we've got 42.5 as a level from this level, and then it acted as a resistance level. It also so happens to be the 20 exponential moving average. Now, we get a big breakout on some volume, and since then, it's just been drifting lower. We've just found some more liquidators and things like that. If it continues to hold this level right here, then look for a push above 42.5. That'll also be the 20 EMA. If we get that push to 42.5, initial target's going to be a retest of this area right here at 48, and then we'll see if we can get that nice push to 52, 53, and then we'll see. What tends to happen here is that when you get into that level, that's where the sellers come in from the anchored VWAP as well as these resistance levels. And then if it just consolidates and price is accepted into that, then you've got a nice cup and handle base, and we're looking for a push to $65 to $70 a share. So below this video is a link to our free masterclass on how to use this roadmap for massive profit potential. Enter your name and email and best phone number to get access to that training. Once you've done the training and you know how we trade, then you have the opportunity to become a member of Precision Volume Alerts. Then you can see this exact trade, the stock trade that we're taking, as well as the option trade that I think has a very nice move ready for it. That's all I got for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.